is September 7th, and I'm going to do a shirtless. Can't get my whole body in this, but we're focused on this area anyway. I'd say about every 20 pounds, I will do another shirtless and add it to the video. This feels pretty humiliating, knowing that I'm going to put this in my vlog. But yep. Okay. The weight check today was 267. And that was from 270 a couple weeks ago, so lost 3 pounds. And we're checking again in a couple weeks, about mid-September, check the weight. But every 20 pounds of weight loss, we will do a shirtless comparison. We'll continue to see these shirts get a little thinner. September 7th. First weigh in of the month. Let's see what we're working with. $267.6. Alright, you guys saw the weigh in. So far it's 35 pounds going for the year. 27 pounds left to go for the year. And all in all, I think 87 pounds total before I'm back to the weight that I actually plan to be at and stick around. So all in all, it's all coming together and going nicely. It is another rainy day, so it's keeping everybody off the trail. Hopefully it don't start pouring down like crazy. Don't know how many miles I'm going to hit today, but I'll do an update at the end of the hike. I'm hoping to do at least 4 miles. Really just depends on how the rain holds up. Alright, we're coming up off the trail today, so we're going to take a look and see. Oh, come on. There we go. 4 miles, an hour and 53 minutes. Not too bad. But, till next time.